You're watching Your Best Friend, Crystal J. Hey you guys, I'm going to show you how to go from this to no background. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, it's your girl Crystal J. I'm back with another video you guys are going to love. This video is going to show you guys how to create professional pictures using this website that you get from your customers' social media accounts. Stay tuned. We'll get right into it. Upload a picture. The picture I'm using is one of my pictures. I'm not sure how long you guys can follow me. I used to have my clothes on Bad Girls Club Season 8. Camilla Poindexter, shout out to you for supporting me back then. So pretty much one of these images you're going to pick. I always select the one with the least amount of work. But for this tutorial, I'm going to pick the one with the most work and show you guys how to use this program. Too much information. No, I'm not playing games. There's no time to waste. You're taking up space. Yeah, you're doing the most. No need to boast. It's time you should go. And I really want to know why you've been so bold to think you're the only thing on my mind. Now the green is what you need to, get that image together, okay? And whatever isn't green is not going to be in this window. So if it's important, you make it green. So that's what I'm doing over here, making her green. See, we're getting somewhere. And it's okay if you do this first time and you don't like your results. Like I said, I've been using this for months, so I have figured out how to get this as perfect to me as possible. Now I'm still trying to improve on like some areas, but for what I use my pictures for, it works. I use these to make flyers, and my next video or after this one is going to be how to create a flyer. When it's white, I really can't see everything. I like transparent, but I can really see how it look on something else other than a white background. I got the green one. Remember I told y'all that green gonna fix my errors. So I'm fixing her face. Stop with what you do. I'm nobody's fool. You don't make the rules. No, I don't want to smoke. I'm finding out my own. This, you guys go back here, touch up. Hit finish. See the difference, you guys? Now you gotta log in to download. So me, I logged in on my Facebook. Go to your images. And you just click. You see I use it. Y'all see, this is what I use for my flyers. Anyway, you click on this little arrow. JPEG, once again, is for like you want the white background. The PEG is for transparent. So I'm gonna hit transparent. I'm gonna download it. Whatever your image is saved as is what it's gonna download as. It is gonna say burnt on the side of it. So anyway, that's the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Once again, so you can easily now go to your customers' pages and steal the pictures off their page and make it look professional. You guys, I highly recommend this website. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank me later.